Ever wondered if there's a proper way to hike? Or how to respect nature and fellow hikers while out on the trail? It's not just about putting one foot in front of the other. Hiking etiquette, though often overlooked, is crucial to preserving the environment and ensuring a pleasant experience for everyone. As more and more people have taken up enjoying the benefits on their mental health, it's crucial to start with the do's. Firstly, always stay on the trail. While it might seem obvious, it's important enough to bear repetition. Wandering off the marked trail can not only damage the environment but also disturb the wildlife. Moreover, it can enhance your of getting lost, which isn't a pleasant experience for anyone. Secondly, extend courtesy to uphill hikers. If you're on your way downhill and come across hikers moving upward, step aside and let them through. It's much harder to regain momentum going uphill, so it's considered polite to give them the preferred path. Lastly, ensure to pack out what you pack in. No one wishes to see candy wrappers or empty water bottles scattered on the trail, so if you brought it, make sure you bring it back with you. Now, on to the don'ts. Don't play loud music. Not everyone shares your taste in tunes, and many people hike to enjoy the sounds of nature. If you want to listen to music, use headphones. Don't carve or write on trees. It's not just unsightly, it can also harm the tree. If you want to leave a mark, take a photo. Don't feed wildlife. It might seem like a kind gesture, but human food isn't good for animals and can make them dependent on people. Here's another one. Don't wear overpowering perfume. The strong scent can attract wildlife and cause discomfort to your fellow hikers. Don't forget to say hello. A friendly greeting can go a long way in making the trail a more welcoming place. Just don't start a lengthy conversation if the other person is clearly out of breath or trying to maintain a quick pace. So, to summarize, stay on the trail, yield to uphill hikers, and pack out your trash. Keep the music to yourself, leave trees as they are, don't feed the animals, and remember to be friendly. Hiking is a wonderful way to enjoy the great outdoors, but it's also a shared experience, one that requires consideration for the environment and for others. So the next time you hit the trail, keep these etiquette tips in mind. They'll help make the experience better for everyone, including you. Remember, the goal isn't just to reach the summit, but to enjoy the journey. So, hike smart, hike responsibly, and most importantly, enjoy every step of the way. If you found these hiking etiquette tips and tricks helpful and want to learn more about making the most out of your outdoor adventures, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps us keep creating content just like this. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We have a lot more hiking content on the way that you won't want to miss. To make sure you never miss a video, click on the bell icon to turn on notifications. So, what are you waiting for? Like, subscribe and turn on notifications. Happy hiking!